Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today let's learn to make a jelly bottle. I found this in internet and I was like I need to try that. So let's get started. You need some jelly making powder. You can get this easily in the market. An empty bottle. First cut out the wrapper out carefully and put the bottle and the wrapper aside. Now take a bowl and mix the ingredients in it. Keep mixing until both the powders are completely mixed. Now add boiled water into it. Keep stirring the water until the powder is dissolved. Now take your bottle and make a slit and tape it. This helps you to cut out the bottle later. After you're done, start pouring the jelly liquid into the bottle. Close it with the cap and keep this aside in the room temperature for about 1 hour to set. After an hour, your jelly has set. Now take out the tape and carefully cut out the plastic bottle. I did mess a little over here, so you be careful while cutting out. Lastly, add the wrapper and cap to it and you're done. So all you have to do is cut out the jelly and enjoy eating it. I told you guys it's a very fun DIY and kids will love it. So do try once. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and be a part of the family. I make a lot of DIY videos. So that's it. Meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting.